Let me show you what I can do. Imagine asking me something like, what are OEM X's production numbers in 2030 by plant and model? And I immediately show you the breakdown. Or, what's the latest production forecast for OEM X compared to 6 months ago? And I highlight every change, every delta. Or even, why did the latest forecast change this OEM's production volumes? And I explain the context and drivers behind those adjustments. No searching, no stitching. Just the clarity you need when you need it. And that's just the start. I'll live inside your workflows, helping you explore data, build analysis, connect steps, and share insights instantly. Filter, visualize, explore, refresh. No lost information, no version confusion. Just save and share with your team. I'll learn from how you work. I'll surface what matters before you even ask. And for deeper interpretation, our analysts can provide the expertise behind every insight. That's how we'll help you make better decisions faster. This is analysis that works the way you work. 2026 is the year of transformation, where data, performance, and insights converge faster than ever before.